Hey y'all, welcome to my channel called DIY Meals, and today I will be showing you how to make a mini seafood boil. Alright, so over here in the sink I have 4 snow crab leg clusters and a bag of extra large shrimp defrosting. I got my corn, I got my 5 potatoes soaking in some vinegar water. I gotta talk fast, y'all, because this is a voiceover. Alright, right here I got my pot with my water and my Old Bay for my crab legs and my shrimp. Then I got my pot over here for my corn and my potatoes. Alright, so I'm gonna add parsley flakes, and then I'm also gonna add garlic powder. Alright, let me go ahead and add my potatoes to this water. I'm gonna get a head start on those because of course it's gonna take those longer to cook. Alright, my water's boiling. Look at that, y'all. Ain't that so pretty? Yes, it is. Now I'm about to add my shrimp to the boiling water. I'm probably gonna let that boil. You know, they say it's done when it turns pink, but you know, I just gotta be extra sure. So I'm gonna let it boil for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Once it's done boiling, I'm gonna place it to the side and use that same water to cook my crab legs. Just speeded this part up, y'all. Okay, so with the same water, I've taken the shrimp out. They put them to the side. Now I'm adding my 4 crab leg clusters. My potatoes are over there boiling. They've probably been boiling for about 8 minutes now. So after I finish adding these crab leg clusters to the water, I'm gonna go ahead and put my corn in the water with the sorry for the steam, y'all. Sorry the camera's steaming up. I'm gonna go ahead and put my corn in the water with the potatoes. At this point, the potatoes should be about done. So by the time I bring this to a boil, it should be good to go. Put a top on my crab legs. Probably let them boil for about 5 minutes. See my shrimp over there sitting, waiting, looking so pretty. See that steam, y'all? Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes. I'm getting ready to take my snow crab leg clusters out. Place them on the same baking sheet that I washed. Shrimp right over top. Yep. Now I'm about to get my corn out and my potatoes. Place them on the baking sheet. The crab legs and the shrimp. Y'all see how easy this was? Wasn't hard at all. And I didn't use a lot of seasoning in my water for the crab legs and shrimp because I did order my Smackalicious Bee Love sauce, the mild version, and I will be eating it with that. So that's why I didn't add a lot of seasoning, you guys. Oops, dropped that one. And yes, I did. I washed it off and put it on up there. I sure did. And it was good. Right, y'all. So look at my mini seafood boil, y'all. Ain't it pretty? It's just so pretty. And it was good too. It really was. Alright, y'all. So that's my mini seafood boil. For anybody that watch, I really do appreciate it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And again, thanks for watching. Bye.